Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about different phases of Linux user. Alright, as we already know that Linux is an open source operating system. Alright, so there are different sort of permissions that we have to keep in mind under considerations, and these are the topics that we are going to cover in today's video: regular users, root users, guest users. Alright, let us move to the first slide, that is introduction to the Linux user. All right, Linux is an open source operating system that provides users with a wide range of features and options. So based upon your permission sets, you will be able to perform the operations, right? So one of the most important features of Linux is the system users. Okay, user system. Linux support different sort of users which of their own permissions and privileges, okay, and abilities. Okay, the type of users in Linux are classified into two categories, that is system users and regular users. System users are responsible for managing the system, while regular system users are used to define the system things, right? The system operations in this presentation will cover both of the thing in detail, right? Okay, regular users are responsible for using the system. They have limited privileges and they can do a particular set of operations, okay, based on the permission that they have been given. Okay, and it varies organization to organization. Regular users can create, delete, modify, and run the application. Okay, and they can also access the internet based upon the permissions that they have been given. Okay, why I'm highlighting based upon the permission? Because it differs organization to organization, right? Okay, regular users can create their own user group and share files over the resources with other users. Okay, however, this cannot be performed with admin system tasks, okay, such as adding, deleting users. Okay, so you just have to have that sudo permission. What is sudo? That we are going to cover in the upcoming videos. Okay, moving forward with the root users are the most privileged users in Linux. Okay, so the sudo users are known as the root users. They are responsible for managing the system and they can perform all the administrative tasks. What do I mean by administrative task? That is the entire permission that is been held by a system user, a particular user, right, is known as a root user. He has the ultimate control of all the thing, right? Just like the Thanos who has ultimate control of the Infinity Stones, right? So that is the root users. Okay, root users can create, add, modify other users. Okay, he is the parent of all users, the parent of all users. Okay, and it can install and uninstall application based upon the things that you have to do over the Linux. Okay, root users are responsible for maintaining system security. They can set up user permission, configure firewalls, and monitor the system activities. Okay, guest users. Okay, so as we have in Indian families, guests arrive for a particular moment and they leave the home. Okay, so the same concept applies over here. Guest users are temporary users who can access the system for a limited particular time. Okay, they have limited privileges. They can perform only the tasks that they have been given, or they have been allotted with the particular permission that they have been given, right? Guest users can create, delete, and modify files, and they can access the internet. But the users cannot create their own user group, or they can share the files over the internet. They cannot perform administrative tasks such as adding or deleting users and change the system log files. Okay, so that was all about the user. Okay, what we covered today. So it was regular users, root users, guest users. Okay, Linux is an open source operating system which we have already known. Okay, that provides user with wide range of features. One of the most important features of Linux is the system user, and Linux support different type of user with all privileges and abilities. Okay, so based upon your use case, you make users, and based upon the particular set of permissions, you will be able to perform the particular task. All right, hope you got today's video, and see you in the another one. All right, thank you and have a great day.